welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make a delicious chicken dum biryani.
First take 1 kg of chicken. Add salt as per your taste. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Chili powder 2 teaspoon or as per your taste. Lemon juice 4 teaspoon. Mix everything well here. Now add ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, curd 1/4 cup, biryani masala 2 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Kasuri methi half teaspoon, some mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Mix everything well and keep it in fridge for 2 hours minimum. Now for frying onion, deep frying onion, take some oil in a pan. Add 4 sliced onions. I have taken 4 medium sized onions. Fry them in medium to high flame till it turns golden brown in color. Now soak 2 cups of basmati rice in water for 15 minutes. Do not over soak it, exactly 15 minutes you can strain out. Then keep stirring the onion in between till it turns golden brown in color. Once you see the color, then just squeeze out the oil and remove to a plate. Take water for rice, add 1 teaspoon of oil, some whole spices, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, some peppercorns, some coriander leaves and some mint leaves for extra flavoring, and wash the rice and add to the boiling water. Add 2 teaspoon of lemon juice. In the remaining oil, add the whole spices and now add the marinated chicken. Mix it for 2 minutes in high flame. Add half fried onions as well. Mix everything now. After 2 minutes, cover it and cook it in medium flame for 20 minutes. You have to keep stirring in between and check when the water is releasing from the chicken. If you see, the water started releasing right now and my flame is medium. Keep doing it for 20 minutes minimum so that the chicken will also get half cooked. Add 2 slit green chili. Now again mix it. When you see the rice dancing in the water, that is the time when you have to strain the rice and keep it in a separate bowl. If your chicken is not yet ready, you keep it in a separate bowl and then add to the chicken later. So here the rice is 60% cooked. Now add rice on top of the chicken. If you see, there is some gravy in the chicken. It's not completely dried. Little bit of gravy should be there, then only we can give dum easily. Now add the remaining fried onion and add some mint and coriander leaves on the top. You can add some food color if you want. And now put a tawa on the gas stove and on top of that put the pot and close it with a foil paper or the dough, atta dough also you can use, and put something heavy lid on the top. Give dum in medium flame for 15 minutes. So the bottom will not burn because we have tawa, and once you see the smoke coming in the sides, that is when you switch off the flame. And now we are going to give smoke using charcoal. So just put a bowl, heat a charcoal and put it in between. Add half teaspoon of ghee on top of that. You see the smoke coming out, then immediately cover it for another 15 minutes. And check after 15 minutes. So our delicious biryani is ready. So do try this recipe and let me know your comment in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice day.